Hello and welcome to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Today we're working on this Hyundai iX35. Specifically, we're changing the window switches. Super common problem you're most likely here because you can no longer put your windows up and down. Maybe the buttons are falling off. Whatever the reason, guys, I'm here today to teach you how to throw a new one in. Whether it's the master or the single, door cards are very similar. Guys, if you do need this part, Parts Factory Australia has it available on its shop, so you can click on the title of this video, into the description link, cruise onto the website. The singles are $33.30, so whatever you need, cruise onto the site, have a look. If you need it, get it into your hand, then watch this video, learn how to fit it, and you're going to save some money in the process doing it that way. Alrighty guys, let's get straight into this one. Alrighty guys, so we're here on the inside of the car. So fairly straightforward. You've got a few little screws here, one here, and two along the edge. We're going to pop this door card off. So you start off with a flathead screwdriver just like this. We're going to come in here and we're going to basically give it a little tap and pop that little cap down like that. You see how it pops down? You can use your Phillips head screwdriver, remove that screw, take your screw, stick it out of the way, and this little cap pops off like that, which is really convenient. Next is this one over here. It's one of your main strength ones. Pulling that little cap off, Phillips head again, just remove it, bring it out, stick it out of your way. You run your hand along the bottom, you notice that there is only two over here, but there is one in here. So again, Phillips head, leave it in the door card because you won't be able to, unless you got a little magnet. Now, on the outside of the door, you have these two plastic clips. You can probably use something even smaller than a flathead, just so you don't damage anything. Oh, it does rotate pretty easy, doesn't it? Oh yeah, that's looking like it might just pop out. Yep, so you can just use a little flathead to pop it out. Literally just fell out on me. Like so. Try not to lose them because you want it looking OEM when you get back to putting it all back together. So you've got those caps off, you've now got access to two Phillips head screws, and these little surrounds come out with them. There you go, 1 and 2. At that point, it's now time to remove the door card. So you grab your flathead, stick it to the bottom of the door, and there's a little hole in there, and you just pop it like that, and yeah, as you can imagine, the rest just pops up. Grab your whole door card, come to the back, should be able to see that from there. You got two plastic plugs, one, and there you go guys. Guys, if it is this single switch, the rear door of your car that you need, we also sell them, but I will let you know there are two different types. This is one of the designs, and I will cruise over and show you the other design. That way you know what we do and what we don't have and what you need to get. Righty guys, so this is the other design. You can see the physical difference in the switch itself, but the thing is it also has a different plug and it's a different shape, so it doesn't fit in here properly. So you need to determine if you have this kind of triangular shape or this weird little square shape. So yeah, do that before you go ahead and buy any single switches. It's time to put your door card back on. To do so, you just hang it over the top, rest it down, straighten it up until you feel like it's all in line. You can see through here that it's in line. Then grab this, bring it around, putting it in place, and then giving it a nice smack. It's a one-way clip. Same thing around the edges. If it doesn't hop in straight away, then what you should realistically do is run your fingers around and line up all of the clips. Because once they line up, it should just go in with one nice clean smack. Grab your surround, handle straight in, window up to the top, make sure everything's functioning before you continue. And then of course, as you already know, Phillips heads all the way around, caps all the way back on, and you're good to go. Alrighty guys, hopefully you're all done. You've thrown it in and your windows are now working as intended. Super easy job actually. The whole thing was 15 minutes, in and out, quick and easy, so we're very happy with that. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching another video from Parts Factory Australia. If you can, give the video a thumbs up, and if you're interested in this type of content, subscribe to the channel, because you never know when you're going to need some help doing DIY repairs such as this one. I'm Lucas Strobes guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.